Yenya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom momyemfa yi immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors emranimu akukudro for se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyom kokokra eba ne nipa setena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudimu akotene pa omu wo mere di mani pa bia Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also dealt with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahin fuchiniye ebidi de BH.
Abusia for Abraso Michecha, this is DJ KB Top Online Radio UK. It's time for Enkrata Sem. I Abraso say Abusia Enkrata Sem and then Ransem. This is Top Online Radio UK. Senior Munimono every Wednesday about 9 p.m. UK time. The anonym say Abraso say you sing Kunyana share. I shepherd attackram you say Emransem the legal world and dear Neko, dear Neba. I update Ben Abba, I say Minumi near whom Senior Hekano, Bruchinin Krata Sem dear, I Bako M. Kunya Bako. I say, Otukaina, I want ma on Krata, someone here, dear, and yet one M. Sena would dig your own grave. sene wa winim no emre ko emre bese ni nyina na enema esesa enti se oba abrochi a ade edi kan pa so ni kun ye onkrata asem eno so nti na Wisemart Solicitors omo se omo ayomo si wo se abribia omo beba na omo ni Ghana fo abedin komo e wa fidie so Top Online Radio UK na ne ekọ ne ba ye ko twi ko breman e won krata asem ne mransem no omo ne ma be che eno nti na program yi yadi aba nti misraw sene ade bia ye no obaso a no ahye na oyonko Ghana ni bi so ono so atimi abeti bi mo amodi kan ba medam ase pa Mr. Kwaku du na akusua tiwa Kevin Asamoah Urama Victoria Mensa Ochri wow Sofia Edusei hey ma Sofia Edusei mi amini dintia ola no so akwaba Mr. Monshe na obiso entimi ntiebi because emransem de ehia pa especially in Kratasem. We are streaming live on Facebook and YouTube. Senator Biakano and Chibia, we have started test transmission on TikTok, but we will roll it out very soon and we will let you know. And min sebren min fa Lawyer Francis Wisemart Solicitors na yenshe dumadi na se Mr. This is 1 hour free legal hour. I ubetimi afre na nkrata asem bia echiri wadwene bia question bia pankrata asem ho sefa wa ho sefa obi ho ofra ehia so obebo udin because ubi anya interest obehwe nkrata asem the ude ofra you don't have to mention your name na say nkrata asem memransem se efa a topic you ho ana se emfa ho kra no betimi afre no abisa. We have 1 hour free legal consultation. Mpacho say your pound there nessa uhia lawyer there and you free. You have to book appointment for consultation. Now kwa kutia consultation fee. Na lawyer I wone watenase. Besa open free legal consultation there. It is now. The number on your screen is and I'll be telling a friend no bisa question 0208 133-5876. That is 0208 133-5876. And so share on Facebook also I'll be to type your question in the Facebook comment section na and so make na lawyer eji ano amount. And that topic here pa dependence of health and care worker visa holders. Dependents of health and care visa holders. Health and care ya abasui. I say we dependent on ubi or no kuta sa visa na no e ho nkomo na ye betinti yen shannon so right me follow yam rani en shase Lawyer Francis Wisemart Solicitors patro apom to say na Wisemart dey na ekoso.
Yo, Midasi, good evening, DJ KB. Any good evening to ATA4, Ashefo, Top Online platform, Bebia, Ubiawo, in Chiakesiafi, Wisemart Solicitors, Assure Ye, Ebremo, said Neso, Obade, Ede Achen, on the 13th of September 2023. The stress Danny Day, you know, we cry and no share, so Ama in San Wajuma. Yekoyeba edi mu yo Wisemart Assure ye nchiakesi efi ho ebro DJ KB ene wahwefo ne atiefo nyina bibia dane kwan so pepepe
yo me da say lawyer I edanyame asese bibia edana kwan mu na ye sha ase no so da bia ye no ya ne pese hwe legal world ho update bia aba esese yehunu ahweye bi kokobo bi abo ho no ma da bia mse sa na ye share program na se Lawyer Francis we dey ka aba boy say update bi aba legal world ho no ma nkrata asem mo ne mransem a opese woni Ghana for echere nwumre a Ekwanda ho, medasi.
Yo, Mr. Medasi, DJ KB. Your update, send a daddy then no. When it comes to immigration bait now, say send a new Mexican updates in it, but yeah, so yeah, 2 year more as was the baby piano, your bema, your tea for aya where provided say far or more because if you are any in the fire, but yeah, feel say a community, no, they need such information to survive in UK here in terms of immigration issues. Any other issues I feel say yeah good or a beboa your community your woman. Yo, may starting with visa processing times, applications outside. Changes in share that might be, but may bomb about say okofa obi free amanone eba the sort of decision and our processing time no send the city any visit visas standard ones permitted paid engagement marriage visitor transit within 3 weeks processing time no but yeah come when which me determine say time best start a year time or biometrics ɛwɔ GWF Global Web anaasɛ TLS Contact Center no wakɔbɔ nsa that time no ɛna home office ɛbɛ starting decision processing nti wayɛ application no na wonya wokɔbɔ nsa no a wontumi nkan 3 weeks no.
Okay.
3 weeks no best start to say be our appointment in the duro. Now walk on sano. And no na me pesi e share so.
Okay.
Rebecca say, oh Lord, is an application na che yes there be. Okobon sano and best start to make a decision no. Yo, a first students one so no apply from outside within 3 weeks. Child student 3 weeks. And partner or spouse entry clearance as a seller no about 24 weeks. Until hopefully no on my culture say within 12 to 24 weeks. But a big them and a parent and child so no outside 24 weeks. Yo, young processing working skilled worker, health and care worker, and also apply from outside within 3 weeks after enrollment, I was saying ECA decision.
Okay.
And yeah, share other businesses, visas, innovator, startup, global talent, Beam, UK ancestry, high individual visa, and overseas domestic worker, graduate trainee, secondment worker, service supplier, UK expansion worker, processing time no 3 weeks after enrollment of biometrics. Minister of Religion, scale up worker within 3 weeks. There are a situation it goes beyond 3 weeks. What are the situations? Ebini saying the information in your application is not accurate or require further consideration.
Okay.
Interno delays kakraba. And now say you need to provide further evidence, for example, evidence of funds, and also mama delay kakraba. Your supporting documents needs to be verified. Mebamucho yensha handsome. A year name of his documents be a demekobia no mun dan ko check or mun cross check it. Mama yemfa say ya adwemu say omu documents bia na elikobia no mu check it. That's the reason why at times checking no bema with decision or a delay. And if they feel said there is a need for you to attend an interview, and also no bema decision time no at check. And further information is required on your personal circumstance. Being example, if you have a criminal conviction. Indeed, these are the things a bit to me our application come more than the standard waiting time, Yo, and only by somewhere on the 8th of September, just last week. and more update your system. Yo, another update I know so by last week, that was on the 7th of September 2023. And only Home Office statement of changes via Omode Baya Omode Echo Parliament for approval. A statement of change in a year HC 1780, which was presented to Parliament on the 7th September 2023. Yo, Mami explained that bit, you know, MIT for any aware about what's the meaning of statement of change in immigration rules. When it comes certain, and only Home Secretary to me, dear man, say, or feel say, I was so yes, I am immigration need to or at any time biano I was so they call down Parliament. Into when it comes to statement of changes a procedure was secretary so now so full same maybe I was so the bar now or the aqua down Parliament na Parliament a to na baba yemra. Indeed, that's the meaning of statement of changes. We as a lawyer and I say in Chabian or DB and no the at any time, and a year or DB last week 7th, no, obey to me as I see son doing as I did and then being 13th. And I say free at now, Babwa, I'm letting me controlling immigration. Bibia and Sini Quine say, Mom farmer. Into at any time, no. Secretary of State for Home Department, but to me, I did down in Parliament. And at any time of Parliament, Ebedia Tumuno, Abayembra. And immigration is the fastest route a year, not to be changes ever tembia.
Right.
The fastest law, the fastest rules are tembiano, not changes ever, wow. And we are always abreast and we always try to update ourselves in terms of any changes are a year ever. Yo, yan share changes are abba omo edekodan Parliament. Yo, first one, dear me say yes share any efa EU in Semia Corso. Omo introduce you just 7th of September. No, say Appendix EU is also being amended in line with existing policies. That where limited leave has already been granted under Appendix EU to a dependent parent child, then dependency does not need to be evidenced again in further applications. Yo, you bet me I say a good news. The anti-American is say the American kind in no say your amount 5 years and now see amount leave to remain pre-settled under the EU settlement scheme now in this EU now. Now depending on parents and now say we are dependent parent, we are dependent child. Changes somebody ban say who could renew for indefinite. You don't need to demonstrate the dependency again.
Wow. Lawyer, I'm say news to me. Enti beso usisubium.
Yeah.
That's say.
Yo. That's the reason why I'm seeing new changes now, Bano. A more de. Into Shama, what the young person or more can say, see amount pre-settled and also limited leave to remain under the EU settlement scheme now. Caneno, see, I'm not say after 5 years as a dependent, no, Uber renewal, I was say we show dependency.
Okay.
But statement of changes or media base say no. Say your amount na say ya no say na nyoma si ikono Uber be renewal and who here say Uber show dependency for the last 5 years.
Right. Lawyer, me one question bi wo ho ansa ne ato aso. Sa EU
Yo.
settlement scheme no. Enti ye ma almost saying 5 years. Na wa renew no to say.
Yo, the Etienne say EU settlement scheme under the appendix EU no. They have a immigration rules no. Procedure ni say first we are EU and who care for we are EU parent, dependent parent or dependent child and I say EU house the Etienne say first we be a fellow EU settlement scheme family permit.
Okay.
Who are outside the UK? Who the bar? You be 6 months. The abem.
Okay.
After the 6 months, you know.
Okay, be
Over 6 months, you now have the first 3 months, you know. Now, why be a friend of EU settlement scheme?
Okay.
In 2 years now, you do 2 months settled, which is the 5 years, and now limited leave to remain, which is the 5 years.
Okay.
Mr. EU for application is different from
skilled worker
immigration rules application.
Other skilled worker no 2.5. They really can the amount.
Depending on other skilled worker, depending on
okay COS, sponsor no.
Okay. 3 years, 5 years.
Okay.
But ni COS and the Burma Home Office are making decision. And now say we a partner route, parent route, no be 2.5. And now private life 2.5. But when it comes to EU, straight 5 years.
Straight 5 years. Okay.
Parent, dependent child. Into when you have 5 years, and now you're dependent parent, and now say dependent child. Imran say, Bob for indefinite. Because after 5 years, we'll call for indefinite.
Okay.
And now settlement. Or so who call for indefinite and now settlement. Now you're dependent parent or child. Imran from what they ban say, and who here say ube show dependency.
Okay. Okay.
Home office I do what to.
All right. Okay.
That's the changes are. You feel say
yo, lawyer, I am for free in a question. Welcome to Legal Matters. Lawyer Francis Wambacha free.
Master Kwame free.
Master Kwame de be mount a serial caller on. Sense to see serial killer so. Yo, lawyer Francis Waha.
No, I said the lawyer. No, you must answer and answer over the lawyer.
You lawyer to you, man.
We're going to have a serial caller and as a killer caller.
Yo, Master Kwame, lawyer Waha, yet you.
Yo, Medasi. That means I went to meet the lawyer, Medasi baby. Yo, lawyer, obviously, me when you know baby, I service our healthcare visa, I do my backroom. Na enema ebinom famu ne emuate te emse sebe ye nua ne wa wo ka me se yidie emse bi kora bi beto anim bibiri na wo nchen ye tibi so na ahomete se ade am be se me hunu ne se metua thousands of Ghana cedis or whatever currency every am sponsor am o de me aba bidu. The obligation our year into Ronyanics and the certificate ni say or Juma or the money. But also buy no Sabe, Unya say Jumana and from me. Say ye wa abuse and name be and now say be a system nasa I'm a nuntino the contract ako form.
Chiunya Juma
and fulfill the obligations. Nasa say no abasano. Ebinum DSA so much sponsorship. Na metua over thousands of Ghana cedis and not even in pounds. Ama obi. Say no, yes, me say kwa sponsorship e wa bra ba bedru hanum. Ni para me kwa na say on mama sponsorship no. How is this person going to accept me because me buy and a juma cry say me ye na me tumi sika no a juma no I was me nye bi nye So where am I going to recruit another money to find a sponsor? And now say, make me a sponsor without say, and call some economy TIA, and my sponsor not what me buy.
Right.
That is one question. The second question is
Master Kwame, Bacho, young fan of one back. Na Intiyama lawyer and reacted to the first question, no. Semeti wa see ya, say obi the number, sponsor the number, obi through hano. Afi sponsor na si wunya juma mano. Inti so kope sponsor foforo. Na person who say sponsor foforo kope nui. Say ono oba e wuntimi man adwuma onisika. Nti oba dey na otimi finance say wo kope a new sponsor no. Lawyer, I'm saying a question in it.
I'm the DJ KB. One man can say.
Oh, first question. Number sir, you were going to your second question, and I'm saying you're dealing with your first question in here.
Can you hold on? Let me ask the question, please. Ain't you know the American you know say, sir, idea happy you know, right? Dear, a woman say. Many sponsor be or no super me say and ya dear obey me a cover me because say and yet on the me buy.
Okay.
Ain't you know first question I completely ewa.
Okay. Yo, lawyer, Tim's the first question no T. Sir obey me reacted to that amaya.
You me that say DJ can be the master Kwame. Master Kwame, you may be over a year na home office MPT. Yenti America no say baby free bano. A year near Babeka. Once I need GBC and they be buy. Because near my brother Kosono home office near a taste of it. I'm also prepared to attack the sponsors. For all you know, wouldn't say you're revoking a month for employers with licenses.
Sure. A woman may come as a baby, one of my side not to.
Yes, and all because more promises are mobile moving Juma. Munya Juma. In the home office, no. And yes, Omo reacted towards a lot of things. So they are reacting. But Omo, I was Omo gather Omo evidence react. And normally, some revoke employers ne TOS. Omo licenses are. Ye mamu Omo kofa Omo ba no. Akwan just say mo kope another employer.
Sponsor.
In the home office, better say either you switch to another employer or prepare to leave the company. In the home, I was a lawyer. No, what I say. Normal the various options available to you. But Mr. Amo, we don't seek legal advice. Because you shouldn't wait till this and tell me home office any need to the sense say since now yes you go feel your amount time to sort alternative. But that alternative no, you need to go and see a lawyer. The lawyer will sit you down and give you the various options available to you. But we don't seek advice. We don't seek the way forward. Because they know said definitely they will get a crack employers to do that, making money out of it. But it's a matter of time for them to make sure say grab more evidences well before they can revoke someone's license. What I can say is they need to get legal advice. Why?
Lawyer, so lawyer, baby, I can the problem because obi one more or buy and oversee say and last or my advice we say home office or my employ a nipa from in every corner of the languages and everything. So maybe one of my in me kind of air.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
and you know, and everybody was the case in the business say obi crowd will be about or which is a juma crown or man or 1 hour and poor man in ye. But we'll catch and so bet man 1 hour man ya. This will compare a shame be a talk. Na ansana with me a day. I'm man with the assumption say be if you know over over 6 months international driving license, you know. Oh,
Master Kwame, and your home corner ubet me I consider. There are so many avenues. Also, it all boils down we don't have the legality, the legality to know where we are going. That's where lawyer Nibem. That's where Ube Buki Abehu lawyer. That's where only lawyer
and the problem is because some of my into capre.
I'm afraid, sir.
Right. How many I'm say I think sir Master Kwame the okay in the no we were send and until because no amabasa no ka de bit maka send here omonko pay bia legal a community legal service senka bia nko settle that never got any but they don't qualify for that and until no aha no any you know with the ocha na se oniska nanso no we me oba any den senior suppose na abebo because o ka se oniska nti untu ho na mawa any amaka se ne kokrom enti any
you ya to advice about me till lawyer because the chief would
yeah lawyer Brem
and yes now you have to go and pay a legal fee to get the knowledge. And answer advice, you know.
Okay.
UK government are set up in such a way say omo will be as soon in the
okay.
Ebini say yeah what citizen advice I'll bet me a call more for free. You don't pay. You're not going to get the advice you want from them.
And
the only other thing now, you need to seek a professional one. He said, to me, FN to me, who this car, who bet me a call for legal aid, who bet me a call for citizen advice. Or who bet me a show. Yeah, you car.
Okay.
But an only problem I want is be advice and can open. And you too. Citizen advice, you know.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, my time and my energy and my I have to make use of it.
Of course.
To render my services, I pay bills, I do all.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
In the referral, there doesn't mean that you need to go and pay for it. There are other legal assistance where you can get it free of charge. Yeah.
All right. Yo. Yeah, that's it. Master Kwame.
Lawyer, me that be because nipa me come as no be braino 80 na be no sure na dream, you know. Omunya sa professional legal advice na me say a trust move and you know me that be lawyer Francis.
Yo.
Person is about between myself.
Yo, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for the call. Yo, lawyer, any also say update no cry no you say yaje your time ni nyina. Bacho update the one na ewo.
Enti you dey na dependent no parent and dependent parent and child no. Say uko renew there is no need for you to show dependency.
Okay.
Good news. Me feel boy. And a biomo so no. There are so many things. especially English language. You know, more spreading it up. It used to be limited routes can also provide the English language. Omo be about the roots visa route be to say appendix representative of an overseas business. Appendix T2 tier 2 being Minister of Religion. Appendix UK ancestry. Appendix global talent. Appendix domestic in a private house. And appendix Hong Kong British national overseas. Such people know almost year applications are almost say or some meet English language requirement. First, now they don't need to meet it, but they say almost their account. And you know what the almost the other account one before say good news to our people back home, especially prisons officers. So prisons officers are being made eligible for this route, being the skilled work route, and will be added to appendix occupations, i.e., being shortage occupation list.
Lawyer, wait there, I'm saying, Mammy, see what's Kakrana at you for
prisons officers, shortage occupation list now a war honor.
all right. Your lawyer, that person members say, say a chief for I be a omon a tea actually in the ombetia say, but they be a friend or Johnny. I say, lawyer can be about shortage occupation list. And on the children say, in you may be a work room ha or moon any nipa. And untino or more air nipa from outside the UK. That is shortage occupation list. Inti say, who sa occupation no more. Nasa where's our pet sponsor? A Juma employer or UK ha na ono amount COS na they have copied, you know, sa visa no diaba. Na eno na you say was the omo diaba ka ho any prison officers. Inti say the Chinese say we need to be Ghana na or a prison officer or experience and qualification better say why a Jumano ni idea or no so no say or more quite abedaho prison officers lawyer ana sanity and number
but you need a sponsor.
yeah.
You need a sponsor because what the Oma can is Omo introduce way in such a way say sponsor who go through the normal sponsorship application. Oh yeah, because I see prison service officers are being made eligible for the skilled worker route. This occupation meets the skilled threshold. Yeah, Oncophobia from MAC Migration Advice Committee. Or more advising government, especially Home Secretary, about the immigration modeba. Into a recommendation to the Home Officer, no, so no, they are Parliament. Say a few say this. It is our going to recommend they need the services of a prison service officer in UK. When it comes to that, normally the public sector. Into civil services, no, and we recruit such prisons officers.
Okay.
Into everything, no. The civil services, no, will be the main employer.
Okay.
So I'm gonna issue licenses, sponsor licenses, no, in order for you to get the COS to do the application and come and work in the prison industry.
Yo, lawyer, where do you say? That means, sir, so be a prison officer or Ghana. Now, a person take advantage of this router. So apply to the UK prison service and the same.
So far, the Omudiabano, Omo Maya Atias, yes, Omo introduce way, no. Omo anticipate, say, it has to pass through the civil services.
Okay.
it doesn't go straight to the prisons office or the prisons department, and as a prisons officer. But I know that this is an introduction to the parliament. Yes. Until much details will come out.
All right.
How to go about it, almost summary change of statement or mudiabano. Summary or mudiabano say this occupation meets the skill threshold and workers can be sponsored where the civil servant nationality requirements are met.
Okay.
That tells you that the civil services nationality requirement no. And no mudi be hwe so e dia fa amanfo.
Wow. Nationality requirement.
Yo.
No, lawyer, which requirement?
That's it.
Nationality.
Civil service nationality requirement. Civil service nationality requirement. Normally, a Juma do her. Almost share of background, almost 30 nyoma here through as a civil servant. One thing I know.
Nationalities be in Kwan for more no more.
At the moment, I don't know what they mean by nationality requirement, civil service nationality requirement. Until the much details.
Okay, Matthias.
Yes.
Matthias, you're a lawyer. The update in the area. Yo.
Update, the most important ones, but the most important ones, may appear.
Okay.
And in terms of child student, I might introduce you Bakubia say, oh yeah, now very short courses, i.e. English language. A year now they're expecting sponsorship from you, but it doesn't make sense. But Home Office at Tenassia will say it doesn't make sense. So almost say I might introduce you, but will be a friend third party. Third party could be your parent or other person to sponsor you.
Okay.
There no so yeah, only changes. Abba. Until we need to take advantage of it. Say, this I was say sponsor one. Third party can sponsor when you are doing the child application. I think that's at the moment the most important ones, And I'm a bro, so I feel say about community. But yeah, as time goes on, there say Bebuano, be ede atu etwa ama yenuanum aye aware. Why?
Yo, me da say lawyer, me da say I obi say menchia ma no I sister mi dia na anyway one of your thief was so buy waboa no ama I otime kofa ni nuaba kama nti oda say I sister me so ya no
anonymous caller na anonymous say
I mean, maybe sanity later no say me nim say obese yin boni dia o de ye nia baby ai ja nti wo so chia wo da se enso na ene yo ene o East London the lawyer so go East London yo now ene health and care worker visa dependent. Lawyer, your time no. Until we there, Senator be able to next week. Until the NHS, baby, next week near to us. Until health and care worker visa no. Churchly mu say you move on more yenti asia na ene yanti asia crowd. Emrabe and govern that at the end. That's it.
Normally, I am not embracing free immigration rules, specify the sort of people are moving to me. I'll go into that route, It was the health and care worker category was introduced on the 4th of August 20 as part of the point-based system now we introduce here for individuals who are medical professionals and who will work in the health and care sector in the UK. That's what health and care or more anticipate is or more capture such people being the medical professionals. Because they've opened up medical professionals, any medicine. That's what they are. They did purposely health and care worker route, at the mile or more. Okay. And no, and I feel say any animal a big advantage over it. Is undergraduate routes are an aspect of the skilled worker route application. It is a requirement as a health and care worker visa dependent partner and a member.
Okay. I now with a question in about say health and care worker visa. You name say nurses ne carers, but say they are ultra say enya no kwa other health professionals nyina betimi e de sa health and care na aba. Yes sir. Since you ever say
yes.
Laboratory technician or mo betimi de aba.
Yes, provide
sponsor.
Sponsor license.
All right. You, Matthias, a chief for say you move a billion say nurses and carers in Kwan, but you see that actually say yeah, or a health care
even
professional.
Radiographers, anyone who works within the medical profession can apply, but all and I was looking for a sponsor while ready so
okay. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
You. Maybe as a lawyer and twice.
It will share the requirements for health and care. OSHA requirements for health and care worker visa dependent partner. I was the age here 18 years or over. And the partner must hold a health and care worker visa or is applying for entry clearance as a health and care worker at the same time or has settled or has become a British citizen. Providing that your partner's last grant of leave was as a health and care worker before obtaining settlement, and you had permission as a dependent partner at that time. In the requirements, nipa na wujina ne so no, the main say at least when you health and care visa and I say or apply on and I say when you waba betina kroma wa settle a fain no person ko fa oba. So what they are trying to say is I was said when you ono na wujina ne so no as a dependent partner you was say you making sure say open care worker visa or the higher settlement and I say or no will apply at the same time.
Okay.
And no idea back when I was here sharing so. And the beyond so I was here say only the relationship a genuine and subsisting. Genuine say a demo and a subsisting say area dear cost.
Wow.
Yeah. And another one is you intend to live with your partner in the UK throughout your stay in the UK. Mr. Mo, yen sheni maybe ye bana ye beka onene beka ebom na mote ha. Sabe wait ya na wait ha. Because how no person mo chela na say you living together. In the sabana wait ya at least you only maybe a bet me aye bet me akọ. One ne draw now ko renewal. Now home office ka say fa we bra also net fa we bra no want me improve a. Omeka say they don't believe that. Because if you are not married or in a civil partner, you and your partner have been living together in a relationship similar to marriage or civil partnership for at least 2 years, and only cohabitation and any previous relationship has permanently broken down. Both of you are not so closely related that you would not be allowed to marry or form a civil partnership in a relationship. These are the things, requirements I would say we meet in order to make an application as a visa for health and care visa dependent partner. So, next question is, can I bring my children? That tells you, sir, from the dependent partner, we are now coming for dependent children. Now, how do you say, who is a dependent children or child?
Okay.
Child is was under 18 of age at the date of application. Mr. We mentioned some. Yeah, yes, a dependent child, the neck come. Making sure the age there under 18 at the date of application.
Okay.
And making sure say your child is not leading an independent life if 16 years old or above. And a biom accommodating and care in the UK will be suitable. Who makes me a guarantee says the dependent here now.
Bringing back the old school sounds.
Your child will be financially supported by you and your partner. There was some who make funds available for that. If your child is born in the UK, your child has a birth certificate showing both parents' name. Ebi amuba mabewo akolawa ha. No so no move to me I a dependent child no under the health and care visa number. Mr. Mo, my adwin and senior baby should say, yes, sir, more the health and care visa number. But who are more expect to say a British name. Mr. Mo, and Tissa, unless I'm a work not applicant, and as the main applicant, no, I settled that. That's that. So, settle ya, dear. Mukanua bina ewasa akora ne kuta. Ti say bi aka 2 years, aka 1 year na. Ewasa mu ya application na plan one. Ti mu go renew na mu ni nyina akwa renew. Yen ka say ya wa plan one ti be ma the different preference there bi. Omo de mra en na year adwuma. Akora ne fall within the mra ne say or disable British citizen.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. And I say a biomusono, your partner health and care visa, work visa, is applying at the same time as settled or is a British citizen. If your partner is settled or a British citizen, your partner must have had leave as a health and care worker when settled, and you and your child must have had permission as a dependent child at that time. And then lastly, you and your partner must each be applying at the same time or have permission to be in the UK. And then I may explain, Okay. The only exception is that your partner is a sole surviving parent or has sole responsibility for the child's upbringing or the serious and compelling circumstances. No one shifted law when it comes to such a situation because I see exception to the law. In the end, can say be our akolano na aka 2 years, so aka 2 years, 1 year. Who apply for dependent child now? They are and not any of the mark Colana or
Right.
Unless was settled, and now why a British? On that note, Akolano bet to me I a British. It will come out.
All right. Right, lawyer. I'm say ene ahana yedi ene de no be see na next week you beto aso say your time no call na maybe say one question na yedi ewie I'm say question ya masa kwa maybe say no I'm so it's because those people don't have money. Say omobaye omunyes, you know, yentimi mo majuma. And as they say, a banner say omonkope sponsor yi, and you know, umbisibia kuhun lawyer and mande. Na nam besen bisa say obi etu kwan sano. Nana ho achire no sano. Ghana High Commission wo UK ha omutimi boa ekwan bi so ana safui. I'm sorry saying we saw about omo but ebia say who idea bi wo ho a.
But
let me say, I know so there is not part of today's, you know, questions, but I just said it in passing. Say, if you know anything about senior or mono or musi or monema, say, or more provide support to Ghanaians in this kind of circumstances.
Definitely. They have a welfare department under the Ghana High Commission.
Oh, okay, welfare department.
Because they have counseling as well.
Okay. Right.
Definitely.
I'm waiting me about.
Okay. Yeah. We need to make use and take advantage of our high commissions and the embassies in the country, wherever we are. Because they are there to support and back us up when we are in need of.
Yeah.
Why?
Yo. Mira se pa lawyer Francis for a topic in so say ya fikra na shas enti ye beto aso nyame aduma next week. Enti video you will be live for a long time on Facebook and YouTube. And still you can keep sharing the link. See anytime be click on the link. I'll be to me. I share video EBM. Lawyer Nyamisha na lawyer Francis omo contact information and a wall screen so CIA. So we hear more office number no 0208 016 5384. That is 0208 016 5384. And omo address no omo unit A the print house 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, London, E8 3 Delta Lima. That is Echo 8 3 Delta Lima. I offer more sana manuswa ombepwao. Yole France Nyamisha Nyamiaduma next week so sign aba wakachi na ebetwa ene enkomono so. Medasi.
Yeah. Yo, mention me that say a tier for your cramo, Wisemart Solicitors, your best share.
Right.
DJ KB, yeah, that's it. Bye bye.
Tier for lawyer more or more contact in a war screen, so now you can take a screenshot your mobile phone so here or more obey me after or more. I help and care for my asemo. But mom paba. I think say the crowd meet me can say ebusia ha no ebi ombesua ye no say yen crofo bi was situation no we should do our best to help them. We should do our best to assist them. And lawyer can say well legal advice no be free but no citizens advice. Obetimi approach you mono ahwese ombetimi apoawa se uti ne se ombetimi boa then wada onyame ase se enkoba ne sa ne se ABS okuhun lawyers na uti omofika no mboa na eja senka busuafo bi so betimi aso mu a support a ke no so beboa because ebusua wonipa no ebia waboka answer no obedru ha no enya de ketwa enti se ye ka se ye support wo mo na ye hwe wo mo saa ma sebi bia nyame mpangu ya san de o makofi a wow sha nse enye asem papa waboka da dansa no bidu ana yesan osa konsapan enye ade a eye enika kra enti support bia yeso ebetimi da support wo mo no ena me bisa akiri ase Ghana High Commission so bia omo so wo mra bia omo betimi e de aboa Ghana fo a omo so aka adwam e wo sa kwan so a na lawyer say Ghana Commission omo some welfare department binti sa forms we betimi akotry ahwe eja ukona ko fie wasem go say ni we Ghana ni say situation na akom na wohia mo a no ahwe say e also no ebia omo betimi aboa kwan bi so a ebia otie kura na so kura na ya fo odwum mo ha ene ya misrem o ma dwen kire na se bia unyam ya sia ba hwe sa kwan no so yo abusia hana ni jumadi ebisi nanso sa jumadi every Wednesday pia about 7 UK time ya di jumadi ebremo top online radio UK enti channel so ba line so now subscribe to our pages no share subscribe or senate bia no ye ba live you'll be notified media DJ KB me ring to be in feminine this program is proudly sponsored also by Certified Accountants Limited Ghana for accountants omo UK ha bibiara fa account and tax ho more property business more de dahin ha no na ade no omo more very important advice man contact them regarding capital gains tax say what down out on abano say the increase in the value of the property no ono no share capital gains tax ni tie ni nchire mu titia no nti se wan hwe ni maybe ya obaton odan no maybe you may have to be paying something like £30,000 out of profit obenya odan so no back to the government 10,000 did be brave nanso no certified accountant say obese entrekisi biom enye say ye kwan bono so nemum if le be tax planning utimi hihye wo niam yi a ebema obetimi aboa ama sa wo ton wo dan kra no a capital gains tax obe tua no ebekọ form ama wo ebusia so wonim say edan so de ni value no high enti slight tax relief betimi it can save you probably 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 or more. Inti emfani akro certified accountants or muye business net tax wono juma bia say wo workers super so ye payroll ma pay slips ni nyina mo ye ho juma person register or company or business wo UK person company details ni nyina person set up a recruitment agency a care staffing agency ni nyina omoye ho ade number 0208 226 4933 that is 0208 226 4933 I from Naka certified accountants and recommend you omo ebeji ye pa abusia ena yesawo BNG digital flyers yenhwe omo Ghana for omo juma ne say flyers de bo adwuma ho ne event ho dawro omo so ho ade pa omo flyers de bibia clear enti say hia social media flyers business flyers event flyers say yamia adom wanya oyire na okunu bi no mo se mo ba ware invitation digital flyers for your event, your wedding. Bibia betimi ayama. Contact information. No, you can take a screenshot on your mobile. But for the sake of those listening to us on the app, I will repeat it for you. And they are at 54 Wexham Road, Slough, Berkshire, Sierra Lima 1 Romeo November. That is SL1 1 Romeo November. Omo telephone number no so I memfa enka ho na otimia from 0745 969 5191. That is 0745 969 5191.